A very good morning, dear children. Today we are going to see numericals, that is examples, based on chapter number 11, that is reflection of light. These examples we are going to see from exercise 1. So before solving these examples based on reflection of light, some points we have to remember, that is important points for solving these examples. Object distance, that is small u, is always negative. If image distance is given, that is positive, then image is behind the mirror and virtual. And if image distance given is negative, then image is in front of the mirror. Object height h1 is always positive since it is erect. Erect means straight. Image height h2 can be positive for virtual and negative for real image. So these points are very important for solving these numericals. Question number 5, that is solve the following examples. In these examples, I have did these examples on this PPT also, and if you are having any doubt regarding these calculations and all, then you can see this right hand side page, means written pages also. Okay. So first example is an object of height 7 cm is kept at a distance of 25 cm in front of a concave mirror. The focal length of the mirror is 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be kept so as to get a clear image? What will be the size and nature of the image? So first of all we will write given things. Object height is given, that is h1, that is 7 cm. Now here object distance is u, that is equal to negative 25 cm because it is always negative. Now focal length small f is equal to negative 15 cm. This focal length is for concave mirror and due to that it is coming negative. Now here we have to find out image distance, that is small v is equal to question mark, and image size, that is small h2 is equal to question mark. Now we know children this mirror formula. So we will use this mirror formula, that is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Now here we have to find out image distance, that is v. So we will convert this formula, that is 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon negative 15, that is f value, minus 1 upon negative 25. Now after that we have to make their denominators to be equal. So for making denominators to be equal, for first fraction we are going to multiply it by 5. And to the second fraction we are going to multiply it by 3. So 1 into 5 upon negative 15 into 5 plus 1 into 3 upon negative 25 into 3. So that is equal to negative sign we are going to take out of the bracket, that is square bracket. So negative square bracket 5 upon 75 plus 3 upon 75, then we will get here negative 5 plus 3 upon 75. So here negative 5 plus 3, it comes negative 2 upon 75, because here 5 minus 3 it will come 2 and it will be negative sign. So negative 2 upon 75. So therefore 1 upon v is equal to negative 1 upon 37.5. So therefore we are going to take here reciprocal of this. So v is equal to negative 37.5 centimeter. So here we got image distance, that is small v is equal to negative 37.5 centimeter. So the screen should be kept 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror and the image is real image. Now we know magnification formula children, that is m is equal to h2 upon h1 is equal to negative v upon u. So therefore h2 is equal to, because here we have to find out image size. So therefore h2 is equal to negative v into h1 upon u, that is equal to, so here h2 is equal to negative and then negative 37.5 bracket complete into 7 upon negative 25. So therefore h2 is equal to positive, because negative here it will become positive 262.5 upon negative 25. So therefore h2 is equal to negative 10.5 centimeter. So here we got this answer due to the division of 262.5 upon 25. This division you can see right hand side of this division method. Okay. So h2 means image size will be negative 10.5 centimeter. So here we will write word answer, that is the height of the image is 10.5 centimeter. It is an inverted and enlarged image. Enlarged means very large image. Now let's see second example. A convex mirror has a focal length of 18 centimeter. The image of an object kept in front of the mirror is half of the height of the given object. What is the distance of the object from the mirror? So here we will write first of all given things. Image size is half of that object size. So image size h2 is equal to half into h1. So focal length f is equal to 18 centimeter. Here this focal length is positive because it is a convex mirror. Now object distance u is equal to question mark. Now here we know this mirror formula, that is magnification formula. M is equal to h2 upon h1, that is equal to negative v upon u. So magnification M is equal to h2 upon h1, but as we know h2 is equal to here half h1, so we will put that value half h1 upon h1. So here this h1 will get cancelled. So magnification M is equal to 1 upon 2. Now we know M is equal to negative V upon U. So M we got here 1 upon 2. So therefore 1 upon 2 is equal to negative V upon U. So therefore V is equal to, we will arrange this equation, V is equal to negative 1 upon 2 into U. So therefore here we got this V value, that is here image distance value, V is equal to negative 1 upon 2 into U. Now here we know magnification formula that we studied. So with the help of this magnification formula we calculated here, that is image distance V is equal to negative 1 upon 2 into U. Now we are going to use here mirror formula, that is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now here we will put the values, that is V is equal to negative 1 upon 2 into U, means 1 upon V means negative 2 upon U plus 1 upon U as it is equal to 1 upon F. So here their denominators are equal, so we will add this. Negative 2 plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon 18. So negative 2 plus 1 means negative 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon 18. So we will reciprocal of this. So 1 upon U means U only. So U is equal to negative 18 centimeter. So therefore object is placed in front of the convex mirror at a distance of 18 centimeter. So here we got the object distance for convex mirror, that is 18 centimeter. Now we will see the next exercise example, that is third example. A 10 centimeter long stick is kept in front of a concave mirror having focal length of 10 centimeter in such a way that the end of the stick closest to the pole is at a distance of 20 centimeter. What will be the length of the image? So for this we have to draw the diagram of this concave mirror and how that stick is kept. So stick is parallel. When we are drawing the diagram, first of all we have to draw the concave mirror. In front of concave mirror there is a pole. In front of that there is a focal length. And in front of this object is kept, that is AB, with the help of stick. And that object size is given or object length is given, that is 10 centimeter. Means stick length is 10 centimeter. And then again this focal length from concave mirror, this focal length is of 10 centimeter only. And there is a closest pole at a distance of 20 centimeter. Means from this pole there is a distance of the stick at one end, that is 20 centimeter. So with the help of this we can understand this stick is parallel to the principal axis. No doubt this is parallel. So one end of a stick is at 20 centimeter. So U1 is equal to 20 centimeter. And other end of the stick at a distance of U2 is equal to 30 centimeter from the pole of the mirror. No doubt for first end, means for B end, this object is at 20 centimeter. And for this A end, when we will add, then this object distance will be 30 centimeter. So here there are two situations. So with the help of that, we have to calculate this object distance or length of the image. Okay. Now with the help of mirror formula for concave mirror, we will write 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon u1. That formula we know. So with the help of that we will calculate 1 upon v1 is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u1. So we will put the respective values for this. 1 upon negative 10 minus 1 upon negative 20. That is equal to 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 10. So here what we took? Here this negative 20 is becoming positive. So 1 upon 20 we are taking front and this 1 upon 10 we are taking back. So that it will be negative only and it will be very easy for calculation also. So 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 10 as it is equal to. Now here we have to find out their denominators. Means we have to make their denominators to be equal. So you can see here to right hand side page. So for making their denominators to be equal, we have to multiply first fraction by 1 and to second fraction by 2. So 1 into 1 upon 20 into 1 minus 1 into 2 upon 10 into 2. So it will be 1 minus 2 upon 20. So that will be becomes 1 upon v1 is equal to negative 1 upon 20 because 1 minus 2 is negative 1 upon 20. So by taking reciprocal of this, v1 is equal to negative 20 centimeter. So the length of the image or image length will be negative 20 centimeter. Now for other end of the stick, that is for A end, we have to calculate this image length or length of the image. So 1 upon v2 plus 1 upon u2 is equal to 1 upon f. This is again mirror formula. So 1 upon v2 is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u2. Now 1 upon negative 10 as it is. Now here object distance will change or object length will change, minus 1 upon negative 30. So here again negative 30 and again there negative sign is there. So this 30 will become positive. So 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 10. So that is equal to. Here again we have to make their denominators to be equal. So it will be 1 minus 3 upon 30. So how that 1 minus 3 came? That we will see right hand side. That is here to first fraction we have to multiply it by 1 and then to second fraction we have to multiply it by 3 so that their denominators will become equal. So 1 minus 3 upon 30. So that is equal to 1 upon V2 is equal to negative 2 upon 30. Because 1 minus 3 is negative 2 upon 30. Now 2 upon 30 we can divide, 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2, and then it will become 1 upon 15. You can see this calculation to the right hand side of this page. So therefore, by taking reciprocal of this, V2 is equal to negative 15 centimeter. So here negative sign indicate that images are formed on the left of the mirror. Means this image, means in case of V1 also and V2 also, both these signs are showing that negative sign is there. So image is at the left of the mirror. Now for this, the length of the image form is given by V is equal to V2 minus V1. So first V2 is what? Negative 15 minus negative 20. So this negative 20 will become positive. So negative 15 plus 20, it will become 5 centimeter. So the length of the image is 5 centimeter. Thank you children for watching the video.